Hey, good morning. It's Chris, and I'm sitting in another piece of Texas Hill Country forest, just a small little piece of it. But I can tell you this is much calmer and nicer than anywhere I've been all week. I want to quickly summarize what's in this week's newsletter. We're comparing the relative values of $1 invested in technology to $1 invested in tropical forest protection. Technology, I'm not in any way trying to bag on. We need technology. We must have a clean economy. We must get off of fossil fuels. However, the point of the movement to eliminate fossil fuels, the point of the climate change movement, is to eliminate emissions, slow the rate of global warming, and protect biological productivity on our planet. When you compare what technology does relative to what tropical forests do, it's pretty clear which one has more multipliers. Effectively, technology is a single stream solution to a single problem. So our technology currently generates a lot of fossil fuel emissions. We need cleaner technology to stop generating fossil fuel emissions. That's like quitting smoking. However, tropical forests are the biological core of our planet. And so as they grow, as they stay alive, they don't just reduce emissions from technology, they also reduce emissions from burning up ecosystems. Furthermore, as they grow, they generate oxygen, they filter fresh water, they provide habitat for half of Earth's biodiversity, which is generating a significant portion of our life support services. They make medicines for us, including cures for cancer already, and we've just started to scratch the surface on what the potential there is. Those same tropical forest canopies absorb heat. We don't have a technology to absorb heat. We don't have a technology to circulate moisture either. And those two properties of these tropical forest canopy systems are essential to the continuation of life on Earth and to slowing the rate of global warming. That moisture balancing effect we'll talk about in a couple of weeks, but moisture circles around and around and around on our planet in a belt at the equator, and the tropical forest system is at that belt on the equator. They also reduce storm systems and have the potential to radically reduce storm systems as cool, low-pressure, moist systems that draw heat away from systems spinning up over the ocean. And they are physical deterrents. They're like jail bars. When heavy storm systems come through, a tropical forest system has its sturdy, robust tree trunks that can take the brunt of these storms. That happened this year with Hurricane Maria. There's a tropical forest at the base of the island of Puerto Rico. That forest took the majority of the brunt of this massive hurricane and certainly helped save a lot of lives, helped save a lot of infrastructure. That system got stripped of all of its vegetation, but it's now regenerating. As it's regenerating, it's absorbing more carbon, it's creating more life support services, and they expect that system to be green again by September, less than a year since that incredible storm event took place. Lastly, food. Tropical forests generate a lot of food for us, both in the wild and also because we have a lot of food production now based in the tropics. And at a large scale, these properties of circulating moisture around the planet determine the biological productivity of life on land on our planet. These are some of the top-line multipliers that I've come across from my research relative to our technological solutions. We need both. But tropical forests are the most urgent solution that we have. We've lost more than half of the system in my lifetime, and we're losing an acre a second as we speak. So please donate this week. $25 to the project in Madagascar. Madagascar is the country that's been hit the hardest by tropical deforestation. Less than 10% of its original forests currently remain. You can help protect the last of the mountaintop tropical forests in a community-based way with my partner rainforesttrust.org. $25 donation there protects 5.5 acres with the current matching donation. Check it out, get involved, spread the word. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. See you next week.